Today's topic is circles. The collection of all the points in a plane which are at a fixed distance from a fixed point in a plane is called circle. This is called a fixed point. This is circumference. From fixed point to circumference, this distance is called radius. 2 radius is 1 diameter, but through the center point we have to draw. So, diameter equal to 2 radius. Circle divide as 3 parts. One is interior, one more is circle, this is exterior portion. Interior, exterior and circle. We have 3 parts. A line segment PQ is called chord. The biggest chord of the circle is diameter. Through the center, if you draw, it is called diameter. So, diameter is biggest chord in the circle. A piece of a circle between 2 points is called an arc. Anywhere, a piece of, this is called arc. If we take major arc, from here to here in a circle, we have taken this is biggest arc. It is called major arc. The small one is minor arc. Through the center, if we join like this portion is called sector. So, it is, we have small one, it is called minor sector. This we have major portion, so major sector this. And segment. What is a segment means? Between the chord and arc. This is called segment. So, we have here small segment. So, it is called minor segment. This is called major segment. This is called minor segment. This is major segment. If suppose we divide correct half portion of the circle. So, this is called semicircle. Here, minor segment always will get the angle of this obtuse angle. Obtuse means more than 90 degree. And keeping same chord, if we draw the angles, all the angles will be equal in the same segment. Major segment always will get acute angle. Acute angle means less than 90 degree. So, here also in same segment all the angles will get equal. Suppose for example here we have 35 degree, here too will get 35 degree only. Again if we need to draw here, this too will get 35 degree in the same segment. So, major segment will make acute angle, minor segment will make obtuse angle. Then semicircle, both of them are semicircle or semi-segment. So semi-segment always will make 90 degree. In the same segment, all the angles will be equal in this two. Exercise 12.1. First main, fill in the blanks. In that first one, the center of the circle lies in dash of the circle. We know now three parts of circle we have. One is exterior, one more is interior and circle. So, center of the circle, it lies on interior portion of the circle. So, interior is correct answer. Second one, a point whose distance from the center of a circle is greater than its radius lies in dash of the circle. It is exterior. Third one, the longest chord of a circle is a dash of the circle. Longest chord of the circle is diameter. Fourth question, an arc is a dash when its end or the ends of the diameter is semicircle. From the diameter end to end, if you cut, this is called semicircle. Fifth one, segment of a circle is the region between an arc and dash of the circle is chord. Segment means from the arc to chord. This is called segment. Sixth one, a circle divides the plane on which it lies in dash parts. It is three parts. One is interior, one more is exterior and circle. This is circle, interior, this is all exterior. Second main, write true or false, give reason for your answer. In this first one, line segment joining the center to any point on the circle is a radius of the circle. Yes, it is true. Because in a circle, all the distance, it will be equal from circumference to center of the circle. So, it is true. Second one, a circle has only finite numbers of equal chords. No, many chords we can draw. Suppose if you take here 5 centimeter, here to 5 centimeter we can take. Suppose the same circle, here if you take 3 centimeter, here too we can take 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter like that. So, we can take infinitely chords. So, second one is false. Circles has infinite numbers of points and hence we can draw infinite numbers of chords of same length. Third question is, if a circle is divided into 3 equal arcs, each is a major arc. No, it is false, because when we take in circle, it is A, B, C, 3 points, and consider the adjacent diagram in which AB length is equal to BC length is equal to AC. All the 3 sides are equal. As center, it is not lying in 3 segments. They are minor arc, so it is false. Fourth one is, a chord of a circle which is twice as long as its radius is a diameter of the circle. Yes, it is true, because in diameter we have 2 radius. So, 2 radius is called 1 diameter. Fifth one, sector is the region between the chord and its corresponding arc. It is wrong because sector is a region bounded between two radii and arc. This is called sector. So it is false. Next question. A circle is a plane figure. Yes, it is true because it is two-dimensional figure. It doesn't have the volume.